This is an Aronson 2,500 pound capacity welding positioner, model number HD25, 15-inch 3-jaw chuck. Gemco foot pedal, steel bodied, hand pendant with forward, reverse, up and down, speed control. Kec is located in Houston, Texas. We buy, sell, rent new and used welding equipment, positioners, turning rolls, manipulators. This is a totally refurbished positioner. This is an identical positioner that is used. Came in with no electricals. Everything needs to be redone. Tilt gears do look good. Kec takes a machine like this within a week or two or less. It makes it look like this. We have different size chucks available, up to 25-inch. The foot pedal and the hand pendant. You know, you have your down control. You have the up. With these machines, you have your variable speed. You can also tilt and rotate at the same time, simultaneously. And you got your mushroom safety stop button. Flip the switch down here to go to foot control. Now this foot control is only forward and reverse. Start or stop. The welder will sit out at the end of the vessel or pipe, and he can control it with his foot as he needs. Give us a call, 713-694-1790. We have all different size positioners, turning rolls, and manipulators.